When I made a video about the MAGNAVOX Smart TV, if you haven't seen the video, you'll find the links below. A lot of people wanted to know if this TV has Bluetooth function or if it can be connected and how it can be connected to the cell phone. Well, the answer is yes. The app is called Eshare and it's even better than Bluetooth. For some who might have seen the app on their TV and don't know what it is, this app allows you to send content saved on the smart TV, let's say images, videos, music, documentation, etc. to the phone, and also works as a remote control for the TV. Hi YouTube, welcome back here, and for those who are returning to this channel, it's good to have you back. I'm Shibabs, and today we're going to see how to connect the MAGNAVOX TV to the cell phone and use the Eshare app. We'll start by making sure that we have the app installed on our cell phone, and if you don't have it installed, there are three ways to install it. One, you either install it directly from the website http://h.eshare.app. Two, by scanning the QR code displayed on the TV, or you can just simply go to the Google Play Store, search for the app and download it. The application is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, and you won't have any problem with both systems. After downloading, we must make sure that both the cell phone and TV are connected under the same Wi-Fi. Once installed, we open. The app will ask you for access, all of which must be approved. Finally, the app will give you a description of your connected cell phone. That's so you can identify which device is being connected. If you don't have any connected, it will be done automatically. We're going to see 7 things that we can do with this app, and the first is this. You can stream your audio or video file to your TV. So to do that, first you have the following 4 folders at the top of the app. Images, which allows you to share images on TV. We can turn them vertically or leave them horizontally depending on the orientation of our cell phone. Audio allows you to share audio files on TV. Here you can pause or play as well as raise or lower the volume. Videos allow you to share videos on TV. You can select any video you have on your cell phone. With the control, we can pause, advance and delay the video. Documents allow to share, of course, documents on TV. And right here below are 4 functions of this app that can be done with a TV. The first option is this TV mirror, which allows you to mirror the TV screen on your cell phone. It works as a touch, but directly on the TV, as if you were directly touching the TV. Another function is mirror that allows you to reflect your cell phone screen on your TV. Camera icon allows you to see your smartphone camera on the TV. The next function that this app has is using your smartphone as a remote control. Basically, with this app, you can control everything on the TV from the mobile device. It has several functions right here below, such as mouse, touch, case, and app. Let's see how it works on TV. When you activate the mouse on the TV screen, you can see how it moves. Same thing happens when using the touch icon. As for case, we can go up or down and even across on the TV screen, something very simple to use. And finally, we have the apps that will show you all the applications that are installed on the television, and you can just tap the app you want and it will immediately open on the TV. That's all. Very simple, easy, straightforward. I hope you found this video useful and it gave you enough information about the MAGNAVOX TV, but more importantly, the Eshare app and how to use it. I appreciate your time watching it, and please let me know what your experience has been in the comments below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you'll be notified when we upload new videos.